Okay, 6th of May, 7:30 in the morning. Since they've done something out behind the back fence here, now we have this waterfall going through here, flooding everything here, washing away our garden on the side and going under the house. Hell of a mess. Yeah, all running down the hill. Unbelievable. So all that work here, gone. We had all this nicely done here. So whoever put that path in behind the fence here 5-6 months ago, whenever, did something seriously badly wrong. Right, so we go downstairs. We'll see that downstairs as well. So here's the back door. You can see it's right up there, and it's running, as I said, down the side of the house over here, which now brings it into the house downstairs, and it's flooding our garage. Thank you very much. So a bit hard to walk around here. I don't want to get too wet. It's a bit dark in here, I'm sorry. Better. So there's the steps that just come down. So the water comes from the side of the house here. All that side is all soaked. It's starting to run over this side. And it's running down here. Down to the neighbours. So fantastic. Jesus, not very pissed off.